Number 29. By hand, find the center and radius of the following circle equation. So the equation we have is x squared minus 10x plus y squared plus 6y equals 15. So the idea here is to complete the square twice. And the goal is to end up with something that looks like this. X minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. And once we get this, we know that the center is hk and the radius is r. So that's the goal. So we'll complete the square twice. So first we'll write this piece down again. So x squared minus 10x. So to complete the square, you take the coefficient of x, you divide it by 2, and then you square it. Okay, so I'll do it down here. So negative 10 over 2 is negative 5. And when you square that, you get 25. So you can do it in your head. Negative 10 over 2 is negative 5. Negative 5 squared is 25. Boom, then you write it down. Then you write down the next piece. So plus y squared plus 6y. And again, you can do it in your head. 6 over 2 is 3. 3 squared is 9. Boom, there it is. 6 over 2 is 3. 3 squared is 9. I'll write it down here. 6 over 2 is 3. And then 3 squared is equal to 9. Here you have equals 15. And then you add the 25 and the 9 to the other side as well. What you do to one side, you have to do to the other. So you have to add it to both sides. Okay, now this piece here, this is called a perfect square trinomial. So is this. That means it factors. It'll always factor. Okay. And this plus sign comes down. And this will always factor. So to get the numbers that are missing, it's really mechanical. Okay. You just take this number and divide it by 2, so 5. And then you keep the sign, so negative. To get this number here, you just take this number divided by 2, so 3. And then you keep the sign, so plus. Okay, it's very, very mechanical. And this is all equal to, let's see, 15 plus 25 is 40, so 49. All right, it looks weird in different colors, so I'm going to write it again. X minus 5 squared plus y plus 3 squared equals 49. Okay, so the center here, you just switch it to find the center. So switch it. So 5, negative 3, that's the center, so switch the signs. And the radius is the square root of 49. So the radius in this case would be 7. And that's it. I hope that made sense.